Scientists and writers of science fiction have dreamed of and imagined human-like robots and machines for thousands of years. The father of modern computer science, Alan Turing, wondered if machines could ever really imitate human thinking. The earliest AI applications were mechanical, such as music boxes. But what we think of today as AI requires computers. AI began to really develop with the falling cost of computing power and storage. In the early years of computers, in the middle of the 20th century, computing power was expensive. Early computers took up huge rooms that required expensive air conditioning and could do far less than today's smartphones. They cost millions of dollars and only governments and the largest companies could afford them. But as computers got smaller and cheaper, they could be used for many kinds of applications. One of the earliest was playing chess and checkers. But today, computing power and storage is so cheap that computer scientists are teaching machines to imitate the human brain. This allows the system to teach itself. Today, AI is used for online shopping, social media, healthcare, business planning, warfare, and many more applications. There are already vacuum cleaners that work by themselves, self-driving vehicles, and robots that help the elderly. There are also AI programs such as ChatGPT that help people do research and write long, complex documents. We will be discussing ChatGPT in the next video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.